Mona call Tony Kabaka come. Mona still call some of his friends, Mona call them come, where they support bad things. Before I go say all those things, I dey hear many people they talk of what did they happen since then for Facebook, for TikTok. I dey look at many of our brother and sister, may God bless una. Those wey know the truth, if they talk and God bless una, their ancestors will begin to guide una. Those wey still know the truth, the one me that they pen and say, na so be my friend, na so be our brother, na so be the enemy. Brother not say, you know, dey this one if you want to say the truth. No tell me I'm Mohammed Nata. If somebody they say something without regarding people and regarding home where you come from, if you don't reobey, you will tell them the one news. You will tell them where you for wrong. Don't be say, you know say that person wrong. When they support them because of waiting. Wame Atoni na wamena. Atoni Kabaka na wamena. Egui no. Egui nefo oha. Egui ni ekini. Ye wage gbewe atini ekin. If they look, he says, say, nobody more than her. No, say, na lie. The time don't pass. Now, different year. Now, new people where they rain, now they tell they come. The time where, that time where they rain, don't still pass. They say, police, you can't be one of a year, right? But I'm your Kabaka. We never will. They also say, not large today. I come out today, me, I can't talk to her. A little word. As far as we know her, the wrong, we not tell her the ready away for wrong. That's we are a bad person. Next time, you go try another one. When I see the picture where I put for here, when I see the picture where I put for the up, they say ordinary people not feel they touch our own mother in the palace. They will touch them like this with their clothes where Tony wears so. Tony remember say a healer. Social media president Murphy. Now Tony take and go palace as the killer. Karma is a ring. Karma is a ring. Na ilo na ibi. Na ilo na ibi. The time we take go at that time, Mona they see tribalism. Way for the start. This tribalism way for the start, it get as it be. They say, uno be your camera or uno go the inner hand. You know if you wear another cloth to touch all those okame. But Tony Kabaka, he touched the mother without nothing happen. Now he take a law, go Guadata. All those Ogionba way they happen since then, Ogionba for everywhere. Tony is the one of the people, is the architect where he started. Tony is the architect where he start all those Ogionba. Now, something want push you, now something they push it for Nyash. Something want push you, not push you for home, you go push you for Europe, for Germany. After the North Coast where do cause for those way they spoil our land. When you come Germany now, the so they can't push you. You want to come around because of accessory or hooking. Chop alone, you only they go alone. Not be say we been on say Okweva or hooking. And Okweva no hooking. Akpobona. You chop for this side, you chop for this side. You don't want me to talk as your chairman or Kagele. Many men where they beneath do live video reach. I told you not do live video. To talk to Eko Gedegbe and Itopolo. You not talk to them. Because if you talk to them, na problem they go prove on hard. I told you no, what they gain for their hand. Remember, say what they gain for their hand. Not be only you be Edo. In many Edo, all those Ishekiri, all those Niger Delta people. Now all those things, now they take their Jew till they leave. Only you embezzle, you block everything for Edo State. All Edo already you Akugbe version there. So far they see food, they chop, they say life, and I be with the problem we Edo get. Now most of them now come they get sense. Now most of them now come they wise. We say Benin not be only for one person. But today, I want to tell you now, say, the Orionba that time, where the architect start up, remember now, say, now the Orionba now, people tell they measure your name now. Now the Orionba now, people tell they measure your name now, to know, say, Kama is a ring. My brother, no as now go turn this language or this tongue wey you take talk, so no as now go talk and reach wey una go talk say na fair or no gbe latin and make e come straight the word wey you talk. No, it can't be possible no more. You don talk am because you dey look am say you dey look yourself say nothing dey happen na you get Benin. Person as a senior brother wey im junior brother come and talk to, whether good or bad, na your junior brother. As your junior brother talk to you, na get gbeno better, na get gbeno biye for father and mother side. You no fit someone time for family. Make dem invite your brother. You begin carry juju, use DSS till they find your brother. Till today, till tomorrow now. Your junior brother wey are born the same father, the same mother. Don't say na the same father. The same mother and the same father. That one dey exile, kapwepwe. And the same you bring juju come out. You begin the swear juju say you and Tony. Anything Benin people don't know, say you don't fair do. Una have una have one. All of them, we close one eye, they look like this. You dey see say all men wey dey Benin, most of them are mumu, will not be mumu. Equal we gbegbe wa gbona zeno. Sometimes something dey wey I suppose me at the top because of one person way different to you. If I want to talk, I go look that person. If I want to, I go look that person. If I want to, I go look that person. But this thing they chop me for my seat. You don't say this bad word. I feel they consider for that person. I even call the person this morning. Say me at I say, what did they happen? So I still like her, but that for you know carry for that. I say no. If I even call her just now, he go pick her. He go pick and tell me say what they want to do so. But I need to say the truth. Not be only you get me. You will feel photo your brother enter answer because he told say now you dey send a message. Whether na anger or not be anger. Your brother, if there's someone for family meeting, they go settle around. But just nothing like brother. But you carry the poor boy to exile. But today now, where that one then they happy say see what he push you come out. No time. Officer wey dey take drive roller away or wey you dey use for palace. As if you need talk. Na true word now. Na true word now. Many architects of Orionba, Attorney is the person wey bring Orionba to Edo State. Till today, till tomorrow, we not finish for Facebook, we not finish everywhere. Now Attorney, now bring is the architect. But now, Kama is a real. Now, the name now, if they return to your side now, then they hear say people they call you say, na Orionba, na Orionba, na Orionba, na Orionba. As a Benin man. As a Benin man, you know, say this kind of word what you talk so now waiting the tell them like maybe to our enemy of the Edo, now be this one. So if anybody say Orionba, but I not quarrel with that person. Now our culture, now the way we born and brought up. If now you, now waiting you fit talk say this kind of something happen, so you fit tell that person, Orionba or nothing. But we don't reach your turn now. Many of our brother, many of our sister. Where they get from you small, where you don't empower, you dey empower them as an agbe, as the Akugbe version. Why you don't empower them to tipo pokolo, I don't know how they call them. Make them go they work with them as a Niger Delta Minister or Niger Delta Ninimi. Why? Otwe do come out. You not even tell them the truth of the matter. You not open your mind for them say, see where on I follow, see where on I go follow. If you are somebody. We don't know you. A greedy man. We carry elephant for we begin you let the find cricket. Now you be. As you still be for those seats, You will call no molest. You will call all those ATM machine, call the Chaba, call the many people, and call some people. Una organize, empower our youth to make sure that they gain for the oil wealth for Edo State. All those kidnapping and robbery for not popular like this. You know how many people they service for Niger Delta, for Shekiri, Ninimi, all those Uzon people. But what you supposed to do for your people? Only you go to pass back, go to collector. That's why you don't want me to know say you see the support for this side, see the support for this. This is not leak just now. If maybe any dialogue come, the money wey dey for bring for those people to the service, you go follow them, the share for inside. That is the life of human being. Ask me, if somebody get heaven ahead, if he kpai today, say he die today. If he come life again, according to they say that they come alive again, he go fit inherit the property again and they ask my people. You cannot inherit the property where you first get. You have to start again from the beginning. To say, hey, on a long already another again, on a long it was a multi-billionaire. Multi-billionaire as that time. As you come, so you have to start from another area. As far as say Papa God won't use many to bless you, you not respect her. If you come again, we'll sell you no money. If you go, man. And now when you do your naja Tony where now we man if you do a picture now or you reckon or delay for a case now make it to make parable in case of city. In case of any incidentally will be this picture come and say oppression it did die at those states. Oppression we call the Euro like they call the do that time. We everywhere cause zigi. Some people till today to tomorrow they know they eat well because of Ogyomba of 15. Some people see the chop medicine because of Ogyomba of 15. Who the architect is attorney. But today now, not be everybody where they bug, not be everybody where go para, not be everybody where they do this one. Who go para the sick color back, it don't finish. But your own at the way it happen, it dey all over the world. Say, look at the world where you talk, say you are one of the betrayers in Edo land, and which you don't tell what we know. Your brother Bobby is why you don't see betray that brother. Let us tell you the truth. You maybe if you watch this video now, you will say, look at my enemy. Look at people who don't love me. Yes, my brother, we love you, but when you do something where is bad, it's supposed to tell you the truth. We're not going to tell you the truth, we can't tell you the truth. Nobody. How you want feel now? Say this can't will happen. Your share will let you come out now. Come approach to the world, say, if I should use bad words or bad things. My brother, only an only yeki, love your bog yeki. A funny or one. A tagini go ene. A mapuni go ene. So you are worth more than the Ogyomba we know. You are worth more than them. Yes. You are worth more than them. The people where they see they support you. All those people in the back, that they talk of you bad. In the front, they want to claim not to see. Now then go pass. Now then love you pass. You rather no one love you. Now we will come out so where they talk to you so. Now we love you. Now we even like you pass. All those people, they don't like you, they don't love you. We will come out, they talk to you, so your mistake. Now we love you, Papa, brother. So that I see you work or you do, will they come out you for area where you go? Or you don't already go the area. You don't use the red oil to rub body. The red oil where you take rub body. Now, Papa God, like one say, what you will do. If the partiality not there, if partiality not there, Attorney is supposed to invite to the government house. He's supposed to invite to palace too. Let's say the truth. If partiality not there, you supposed to invite them in government house. Because why? When you go bill and say the railway one for, where the governor and the executive governor at the house of rep or house of senate, where they will try where they want block. They go talk say now you be the aiding and abetting where they inside. You supposed to invite and question it. And you suppose make them give a door hole, make you hold. I'm well lawaru, and I'm you know do generator. I'm with do lawaru, no move. Or what payare. Not be only you be person who get Superman for a dose, but you too much. Access no me good moving, who before first is a yala or yala war, a hooking my brother. But then na yagi dere na do. Why ka awa latia ojeru nsu ekia ojeme tagan wa we wana mie. E no mani mie ona tie nini. Ni we do we degbe whether they pay, he can pay, me still look say that name whether they call am for TikTok. Say whether na good name or the bad name. Now for there you know say Oma is a way if somebody too do. You know realize for what they do, you know passion. As police say, the police are paying or right. If you not resign or you not become a loyal person, now the way a shame and the grace till they enter the person body, now it happen to Tony Kabaka so. Now it happen to Ranso. We all those people now, they don't already know say. Now it be this one. Now it be this one. Now pure red. Now this Tony Kabaka be. Red and black. The two things is not good wey person dey wear. Ewi ne kwi, ewi no ba, emma. So my people, why ka we o ma we no, o we no magba na ge gwegwan, wa ga gwegwan ni gbe. O we meti ari we bona. O ma gere agbeye gbe. Wo sunu kelo re ade, emi va kekan, emi pa kekan. A titi or tamatoni. Ina voice ina we titi eduya edi mata gre no we prove ro we na we prove wa na we ye me na wa gbai na wo ba meji the people no worship me ave sesoro me gbe no lele kian yen na pa na atamo won pa we otun o wa te no me we oba meji dem me dan no na za o ve me dem wata no oba meji ina we tuni wo ke no ame prove o da me o me na me prove ma me go ma do ke no magba body meta ni wo ba meji ana ga ta me mani ati e body me body ba me no me because me data not e bono ma so ma we no we wa we gini bi ka ge ya because me ma no we saga na wa esi ai ya agba me fa because o me ni dado ya de yon wari kere we e di o zagi o wa mu saga ya me di media yana na ati mewe awi mewa me ga ife ima kwanye matani eme so are na ya gbo ma so kun abedoni iya agbo ma ni eme gun meta poto yebo yaria o yebo ya degi eke o ma we me ma gbegwan wo kan ya mi se ko wo kan ya wi iyeri abe ebo ya that's the problem una wa mi we ebo na eme ti settle there. So, wala wo page wi mana seto page wi mana ama no o ya to me no ma we unyime ni Tony Kabaka o ma gba awe mi no o ma gba o salo ba wi ni ka o mo ela jane we ri ma da niru o ma sunu pedo no hun o do la dia awa ya wo gbejon aya wo via mi gbino via ode awa vi mi no igbino via o via yakin o wene so ma ekini mi di ma ewe do ne we ave otu edo wa ni we wa kan gbina ye me o se oge do na no re to edoba wa me kiyokiyo nu wariri aze wa ga to ni ga hen o wa ga bi gente ga hen because wa ni ga hen oye we soja rivi soja rivi edo soji Yoruba soja other people not dey ba unsa ifulami yan aro ana ari oko ana wa ya kekera ifulami ye yan wa ge din awon pare yan wa yo si ayanya eni we wa ya gbe na agbe we me enu wa na ro yan we ni awe Boko Haram oyin ayo wa egbo e na kina wa ma me ko plan wa ri plan wa lo en wa yo na mi we no bana the bane kwina ya you wa you know eri oje ni wa ikewe kuwa iwe kaweri ege yo e prekire iwe pe e video so ni ma we ya gwegun iwu ni ta ma we kemi no ewu Awa vio boy amada izabo, yena vio boy amada izabo, but awa vio boy amada, ani awa yigagui. Ema boom, no finu ge wa no kwa kelori ade. Atori maladi anodo fiya ari egwa. Ola we pacha iti da ruwan. Agbona, wana mieko. Wana mieko bi agbon. E kama Israel, even no para agbona. Wa we mi no mada wiwa. O pekeka mi no mani e bo ware. Sister Abota, happy Go Sunday. Wa we mi dan da wiwa o we pekeka mi dan ni e bo ware. E mani bona we mi dada na bi afe. Ya na to ta ya gie ya gogo. Ya we ba do wa do we mi na takara de. Eri e mata gire no. Ma he. No e ka bo wa di no we e bona to ni ya 20 no ja ti. My edo na give me water doba ya give follow because of have TikTok obo have Facebook obo ya wa we olokun wa mo video dai awi sang wa mo video dai awo sun wa mo video dai awe boya fa mo video dai e meri nenya na e wa na apo wa pe bo ni du wa gele kwa pe bo ni wo wa ro wa eri awe mo video da wa ro ya wa no wa ana emere boya fe no kian to wo do edoba ai wa video e la dia na Facebook o gbe ya ri mi ebo ara kebo na avie bi ya ke e na amwe ye onwe e ya wa re Facebook ama wa mwe mi ye video e ga na ya kuni amu ye video but o kene o yi noro aba we boni e na asa me yawo sun we e na agbe mi ne o ma keke o ni o ba o kan wa ri ne boni be bo kin ya to e bo ri ye we o ma ri la jawo nu wa ya wi ma ri ma e ko boya na iwado po ko bo kan ko mo ma ke ya o ona wa kin e bo na wa kin ya o plus de bo ya ri ye be TikTok de ba e Facebook ba ya we na invite ya we there most of the obona me ma mi ari TikTok na me ma mi most of them we kwa wani ama mi ni show we because in marriage te marriage to tamia wa re TikTok wa we form me fon pa awo be TikTok wa form me fon pa no wa gana be mi gbe aso no be TikTok no wa we ladian na be gwe eri mano nya ketebe to level yi the by governor no nya wo na ya do wa we ladian ro portal wa we ya igun ama mi boy ima aka boy mi atoni no ya ta mi anari ala ori azedo bo ani ma edo ori o ma mi wa kegbe ori o vi mi wa kegbe also that me most of the things ni ma aka boy most of the politics a local government we kere village we kere wa ya pray politics o pa be se ma ni ke village we local government ni ya pray politics yan e so awa ke ori o more o je go local government e yori on no kere o iri fun ore go local government no kekere ori on ni because o ye go local government ya make a good name e so ro a village ni kere e yo ya we councilor all the village of it na ni moto na bia ewo ni na je school ye ya in la dan we councilor awari wa we ko aduri ye councilor ewo ni what's the name atodi kana tawe okay na mu governor na mu local government chairman na mu councilor ne e ma ni dogun wa yin according to the okay governor at the president of Nigeria and the governor of Edo State no we give her a law ladian we also suppose the house of rep as of senate ni a pass a bill yen we okay we ori we no do mugbo we wo ma no do gbe yen we wo ma okay we na mu position aniyan even na ga ro o no mekero re ado si e yan we play politics all your way down your way down and if one of the people the policy favor they are to him we regbesu ye be giagi unwe ni ha be ri orere no eti ma ya usu ya no be tula dan we igoro are ge na to ni wa but the bag one e give me we no e ge no e ran no we go ma ya koko ibi agbon me wa ke dona na awe na ari ogobo na ya ge mi ori si e dagbodagbo na re we na la wa mi bi ni awa bere de na hige wo awa mwesu awo wa ma se wona la agogo wo mo ko yo se we amukore o do me nu we mie nu we ya tiyan na re we ya ta mi we ni azedo bowekun ni aze oto edo ba no mo no ba na do po apolopolo ohun na ori ege bo pada yi omo no wo mo dun wo wa emi okere ene ba fie we ese igbo vari larina wa ye we ba e bo kia ko ne kwa na fu wa ne ye we ye e mori bu no yo asu se no ma mi ba de ni yo we la gbeli bi aro body mani wa ri ge do o du wa we gbe we ma be ke gan do la de gan do sun na ira na o du wa we gbe ona jiri o to ma be ri o ni otu edoba ọra to mi ọra wa mi ai otu edoba ni we pe emi opa no wa no concern ni ma eri mare Osayamore Joseph le video pa dirin manika u egenede Osayamore Joseph oyai e video ni okay why we down here omanage Joseph Gbale na Adam ona do tiswe so no concern again no ba se ke ya betray the man or wetin e support oba or wetin e support Tony Kabaka omage here we gbe ye case Tony Kabaka ya watch or when the man be doing the kind of person Tony Kabaka wa watch listen.
And what they don't know, Tony Kabaka knows. And Tony Kabaka is taking his standpoint from an angle of no. Why these charlatans making noise are ignorant. They don't know. This was the same way Ago Obaseki, the Obaseki of Benin Kingdom, was tagged as a betrayer by disgruntled elements around Obaforame of blessed memory. The same thing. You understand? Ago Obaseki was the eye, the leg, the hand of the Oba. When Phillips and his men was attacked in 1897, these people, the Ago, met with the Oba and advised, took a position that please, let us negotiate with the British, let us appeal to them, let us negotiate, let's talk with them. You understand? But some disgruntled thieves said, no, forget. Who know the British? We'll fight the British. We'll do this, we'll do that. He was talking from a standpoint of no. He knows the capacity of the British. And he knows what will happen. And he knows the price for war. And he said, no, let us negotiate. Let us discuss. These disgruntled elements refused. And when the war set, they asked him to bring his slaves. He said no, because the man had won against this war. And today, the rest is history. How British bombardment happened in Benin Kingdom. And Ovarame was captured. You understand? Now, you guys are also seeing the dialogue and peace process of Tony Kabaka as evil, as a betrayer, exactly the same way you people saw it in 1897. You understand? Before
Wadame yo, Evani Akpa ese. Ijo bowin awu na Tony because they are the same people. They know the inner heart of Atoni. We what did not turn to prove to with the those that Atoni is a Taliban. He's a Taliban. Edoga ma ejutuma mi wa de yanga mi wa de wa ga mi Atoni no lawo no zeba abo anu wa e. I history Tony Kabaka ya history of Ago Obaseki no Yomba. Ewi ne raiu o bi ewi do no ya pa. O governor me all the governor no rule. He me we o ma hand over position to the opponent on a left wa Arieza de ayina. Kiyen ke kita no bi opa no mukian yen na le Arieza. Arieza yen na ya gbo do. O wa budegbere, o wa gbeta ayeko, o wa na do ayete. Now they are in exile. There is Samuel Babi are reside. At the end of the day, go Gina Samuel Ba. There is do another Ovia Goni or we or tears Samuel Bana. You are reside the Wagwan, but you mago da away or Magieke or Magiran Obio or Magian Obio Vigena with the buy. If you ever load them, I mean, of even one who ever. èmi àwa àdé ó wà dọ́ wa wà ó fi yé èèfà á kì í mú yàrá ní kẹ́ gbàgbé wà á bẹ lu ẹ̀wọ̀n ní àwọn wà á àbí ẹ̀mẹ́mẹ́ hínà ọ̀nà ọ̀sì ẹ̀ n'ovi ahụ n'ọrịa ewuye chali nọ na mmị Kabaka nwa mama erizi n'ọsị ya na agbe Kabaka gwa biko ọmị Kabaka ọmị oyuto n'ọma eke na ọmị eyi urita n'ọfọ ahụ abaseki oye baseki abatụ eteri oni ana waga egwu ihe egwu ọdịne na tie kaseti ni maleke kai ini maleke ki asere gele no lele ya na kanse e maleke ma ye gwa but today maleke we ye gwa rere wàhálà gbọ́nà wẹ́ẹ́rà fíẹ́nu awétọ́ máa rí yóò bọ̀nà wétọ́ máa wọ̀ dẹ́dẹ́ bíbí ọkì máa wọ́n má tó bọ́ wẹ́ kíá wọ́n dẹnu rí yé ó gbéra dẹnu rí yé ó má láàlè lè wọn kẹ́ wọ́n tó bọ́ wẹ́ kíá wọ́n náà fíẹ́ kíá ó sàlùbá ẹni kàá gbẹ̀dẹ́ máa kẹ́nu aláìsè kẹ́nu kan náà wẹ́ o wà bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí ní ìjọsẹ̀ gbálẹ̀ ta ìyìn rí yẹ ẹ̀mẹ́ Kabaka ya gíẹ̀ ẹ̀mẹ́ àgọ́ abásẹ́kì. To tell you where egbe na go ya betray dead do ere oba sekwe do betray dead do e mo tai Joseph gba lo tai yo tai me yo no ri gun afo because wa ni we do wa down we wo gun aba wi yen no owe gbo e no e ma no ri gun afo so for that reason ya be mu e obe yo na ya down here. Wàá gbé ni wọn. Kabaka, Samuzoni Azimabo, Beno Sambore Keyasi wọn. Talk to them.
Try make the left us handle.
Imagine.
The other day they write for paper say they want come invade Benin. But what we do now? May una leave us alone now. I will go back to your door.
Oh.
I go back to your door. No, no, kill a go where I go.
Eh?
No, no, go where I go where I go. No, you go where I go where I go. I'm not even a bubble. I go back to your
Leave us alone.
Leave us alone. So leave us alone. Leave us alone. Yeah. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. Leave us alone.
Kabaka, tell them. Kabaka, leave the door alone.
Leave us alone. We are not trying. Leave us alone.
Masionu na.
Leave us alone.
Que Jamie if your brother so well, and we not concern do my concern where Jamie ya odori aduro. You know where we near Dori aduro by go where with Jamie.
Make them try make the left us handle. The other day they write for people say they want come invade Benin. But what we do now? May una leave us alone now. I will go back to your door.
Agua.
I go back to your door. No, 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 kill a go where I go. No, no, go where I go where I go. No, you go where I go where I go. I'm not even a bubble. I go back to your door. Leave us alone.
Adam yona. Ego ona otuetu. O sa omori Joseph. Amare de gina ati evegwa. Obiere oke ke no to enjoy ivie ni kakabo oke mere ora adie kenera mo isaye. Iwana no samore ya su e wa gbon odan yo. Adu avio la dia ma bia gbon wa ya we. Ewi ememeti wi eso ewi Who are you told all your river then up? For that reason, if you have to marry woman, Atoni Kabaka is a rebel to the Edo land. Wagate want a magbima. Only that doya dear. Who have been work with no what I will tamawe where I agbo yegu yava yegu. Emi no mabio. Emi nu ana do gbo yegu do va yegua. Emi nu ta uwege we maro pare do no gu egun. But when e ba we magi laja no gu egun wa ge u. So for that reason, iwọn no ke na ya so ke ni vie do lu enu. Emo no ma wa gbon no te wa gbon ke ni alu iwọn ni. Wa we do ge emo fi uyi. Owu wo ka elele nwina wa kugbe venu. O ma bere we enyo bi enye. Otan bi otan. Emoki obi emoki. Ade moki no ya ku wa eno do abiele wa. Emoki biele wa wa do na mu ye wana. E biele wa. Ta do no ya ku emoki e biele wa. Kabaka ogbe. Emekere a titita ma do na ya gwegwan. Uyo da ana ya mebo we maladia we no do zo. Ami na yunuta na meti seto. Onu we ya gwanana. Onu we ga do ya ladia do mi mani viedo. Unu we ga do ya yin we ja yemi we yi. De tu we no ya go no we do ya yin no call o ga ta me na call we pa we zo wa aseri ebo. Moreover yin pa ya no eteme ni o ga ti jo pa do lawo we. Mabe wo me pona vegui. Ọwọ́ zu agi eme ogunzi ya enyo do. Anyone ozuo agi eme ogunzi ya enyo do. Edo. Ebi na orisunu na. Ima aka bolu enwe. Bemi ya yo. Na mecho we na kwa agwale abegian ogedo. Enyo pana. Dịka na Kano a matoni ari amoka no kiwai ni agbarie igo oge edona igo no ge kele abe jutu na ai ni opari ye na oge ke a enu we sebe we do bani we masa no vi abe jutu na le gagbe we ye na ge iya na we no ni border dona we ko edo ya ni border ya. That when a powerful who's do a come or good one. The governor, the SNC will stop where courts and enemy stop in Edo State. Even a kuyaro wana. In Moya fair na ya even a could go money boom or green as bullion. Do an indicate emo do subokere. It's all over the world. History, no, to with the Edos. Ere naja data. Apart from Ayamudia oye weti. Ofege emi ya fe wa history of anini data edoye e money buyero no yewe sanini zewe amao na yekwe gemo gera the family so na yezi gbe egbon so na view ni agwe ni na view yoto awisa magwa ni ave na avio kwa we governor we mo logbo agima back to the way e na no egele sunna even my lose gugbe imono ke ma ya ko edo ya fe opugbe abi yoko ya fe pa ne awe ma no pa e ma ni ga agbele ma ni yan yara gbo today abu gwegwe e ma won ya de iso akansion we si na ro won pa to ni we make in state na be kon reta kon ba won ye when the federal government police soldier na ro DSS EFCC na ro da gbon e ki ala yeke e ki ki mata wi ma hegbe na ni ka ya yo wan unu webu adubomi wiyan wa federal soldier the soldier you no magba aye RSA aye brigade to book aye kulian yan yi are gan ama iwe man e soldier honorary civilian yan ayo bo gbegbe we be ade ba yan ayo bo gbegbe avio wedding wa tamia ni avio woto eno samori guy wa leave us alone wa tamia ni gbeni avio wedding woto to ni Kabaka even wedo mari good ne gedo we ma ute we me gwa genete egen we ya me gwa we ya abite de gwa o pe egeru la de ko because ila lo boga ale wa ni wa mi kwa wo yan ba mi ya wa si de do o ba lo nu wa si ye ma ni bun egbe we bo to ni obun gbe eru we ga we sun ari o we ni yan bi akoko we to di aro we ri oni mo di akoko wanu ya gbon apopo emi dia na riye na we agwa le good record ni mo ame good record media na yin no wa agwa le family ame good record media na yin no gbe ne gbo ye gbe owo yare ona ye mi dagbe ne o ke no be ju we e won na eri o ka ye ri o ye o ma fi were o we fi were every time we wa worse yo bi worse yo orisunu we wa worse yo every time okay.
In Benin, we have Gede. I don't know if you understand. These people, their forefathers live there in Benin. All their children were born abroad there in Benin. You understand? Their forefathers were
Zebo la maje school we Zemi.
What I saw
Wa so mi ari aduro wa.
I think they should open door for them to contest for any position. Because if you are contesting for councillor, they say I'm contesting for councillor Ward 5 of Edo State. So they will know that they are from Edo State. You know, they should give them room to contest for chairman. There's no how. If you look at the map, you close the job that is contesting the one in the name, and you see the map, they are under Edo State. You can't take that away from that man.
Okay.
You see, the agitation,
the governor of those states, the president, Ahmed Tinubu.
Or let me call it protest. Because
we'll give authority here, permit.
They're supposed to have the free and fair
election
policy flying and those like those in job, they need to be part of whatever is going on.
Tony Kabaka na my excellency modo pe o wa invite Tony adie the governor house no return of Obaseki no return of Shomole to malaja no tegbe na modo pe o and then see that of Canada do atina see finish na here abi o na wa we modo pe o no ma unu o gwa we na gwo recover la mi go nu ebi na ye ebi we ron be gion Obaseki na gion anakwo mo adan modo pe o na we ame kitun awe you are party member o we rita na wo ke we na ari vote ni awodo ni we matter we Obaseki e go Shomole ege lo ki gbenedion e ba we ado ladi we modo pe wo no salo ba gi ade no do dole anwan o pare yute doyi ana izewe a peace in and everywhere now ari mo awode ena wo weje we agan ode na we ma ye gbe e ma lilu we gan ye gbe o ma wan agbo awa feru e ri ro na my brother eri ma wa wo pa ari we uti da ni theater wa maru wa agbo e ege na ke all la dia de na oni bu yewete gwan.
You understand? Like giving the title, like giving chance to contest election, like giving chance for them to contest for.
Wakwe dam yo Tony. Owe batato. That means now I'm Guinea as a chief, as an enemy. Now I'm Guinea where enemy of it. Oh, we Kabaka. Oh, when I had dinner, I was here, bo. I wasn't there. Omo bo wo ge na. Agbe aze no tino de no. Na wa do wikpe di vana o no wa la gbe bo no ati na ma o wa mu we ne ba ma ri oye o ma dan eri eborere mwe oze u ovie bo agbere ni kwado ovie obonya gwa me no ru onu
anything, even in the community. I don't know if you understand. Yes. People they live there all their life. Their great grandfather lived
na
there
we can live
before
it
even our great grandfather were born. So it has been in the history. That Ijo in Benin, we have Gidigili. I don't know if you understand. Yes. So if you ask if we are a type or at times we were in it, they also say they are just living in those states. Yes. And you understand? They don't nothing deprive that. They cannot deny that. But the problem is, I think the federal government should open door of free policy. You understand? For them to be participating in all elections, local government, councillor, House of Rep, Senate, governor, they should give them room. If you give them that room, a print poster, he's going to contest, has he? Yes. And if he's contesting, he's going to put the state that he's contesting under. Yeah. You understand? It's under Edo State. Yes. You understand? Yes. My name remains Comrade Tony Kabaka Adun. I'm the chairman representative of your constituency.
Naja Delta.
So you must put Edo State. I don't know if you get me. I think if all this thing is done, there's no way they can say they are not from Edo State, they are not under Edo State. You understand? I think because they are neglect. They look like they've been neglected. You understand? That is why they be agitating for them to be part of all this I just mentioned. Yes. I think they see that it did not work. They want to be on their own. There's no how a son can deny father. I don't know if you understand. Yes. We have one Oba in Benin Kingdom.
My brother, Australia. Anyway, my camera that we interview most of our people, me know you are there we go. Away traveler is a part of education. Traveler is a part of education. But when you come from Europe, now the commissioner office, you all respect you more than the ranking in where my brother sit down. Always you have to sit down first before you can offer anybody to sit down. Always traveler is a part of civilization. Who will travel kwakeka? Some of our people, not all people, some of our people in that journey. Me may don't lo de ni ari inu wa so wani. Me may die igwe the free money ni ari inu wa wani. Eso wa not all. Eso ni mai ni gbe wo. E me gugu usu ani make camera da Kabaka na. Wa ma we tie ya security we no awu na magba. O ma ke na record we nu wa ge na de nu wa hin because ni ka o mu wa ya lo ye. Nu wa ta bi ke orere no. Ku wa Kenya ya na ke nu Kabaka wa ke no ri ason pa. Kuwa no me camera ni kuwa no te ye wani wa ma ni gbuwa apa bobo moye wahin wa ma meti be yupon we wo ewu pon na yanga boye obi ere odepe dankasa ode ya muluru ona le desert dide ori ewe bo ori ejemi na no e kere kere ado be pe obi ye London edero ori ri oye London oye yan ire London odoni yan gwa control ese no why the Gemini e kia me Gemini am meet with you guy gas why wa kun ye ko ne ona wa mi say control ona so agun amena be won be cha koma abi KVC ni akin ba o be yo ma be teme na gekta we me do a we na wo ba to pe o ma ke ruta o ba to pe ayan ve dan ti fa wonu o ma ke we wo ba to pe we guane we wa to ni gbuwe wo pa wa ni ene we ewinu ta ni ahun nu gie igi oma ni ma ahun nu gie igi oma ni ma eme nu ta ehun la ni boni sagiro so anything we need you ma ya ohun nu gie ma ya ewinu sunu ma ya me we o ma we me do ma ya we to ga mu agboba si mi otu edo o ga mu aye ko iya me lock de ni na ta wi ari wo anu do ni no we atami awa he ru yan o pe yere weje opara ro no there where erima no lagbera ego ya sunu yana make a bush yana lele iwe we magbera na gbe agbe e police so no lele yan ni aru ao ni wud ni yun we ma we ni we aye wozo we mara we okeki na create the state of their own inia amaro no dami yo e man we gbinana oyinwiane owi em spiritual problem
finally boss to asare to come out to don't begin on the cry. He say Oba of Benin don't send spiritual army come meet him for us to come give him woto. He say right now right away say the Oba of Benin don't declare spiritual warfare metability against me. My people, they could not hear from him as he don't say.
okay
He started with the spiritual warfare.
okay
When it will happen to you, don't blame anybody because sadly, I've sent it back to you.
obere oso amine owi yan send it back emeti send it rokpa brother ama ewugwe gona we ado ye gbe vie owo na noro to na we meti you gbe vie owo you will go free mani we do avitama we o wan we ya kwari edo na ye ba we ya re na ma we mwegbe na we kwani we mwegbe we ya kwani edo emi kevin we ri mi ebuwe we bi o e yere we the mama ya fe we ka mama yo to we no pe na ya su ni ma we yere we back to the sender of a dick and we yene brother oh egbe e fi egbe if no ka o about the now we let you of we let it kewi ya fe no wa rere o da wa gbon na eri oje we ne nimi ne udo akuku arere o gudiku ogbo meri wa ama ke we gbo wa ko gudiku no ogbo meri wa ni ma la wo ki ma la na we ni baba e do ni ro wa ni risi o pe agi no ko ri no yi mi wa ti mi no gun ayo de no keke e no ma enu ri boyo di no denu o pe agi no ko ri no ori mi e na ma expect we o ma no we do no gbedo owo ti en dole do yi ara mia e fa na arun awuwebu ovena de ba mi do kan arun de ba mi teme o kan arun ma o biagi no wori no ula jan ru te mata we because o ma force we do teme nu weta owe eme dan ru bi dagi o ari la jan ado ku egbon orun ti e bi eke no ma uwe mi dada wan ni keke nu ri ayu won wi do ya fe no ma to gbo wan ni wa ga teme no keke if you need vela di ogun eso ata we water na e no ta wa gba e ni if you need ve water or wa gba ki we do ya fe ni kun o sa lo ba ni ka o de ba wa ma be wu wa we TikTok ma be wa Facebook the page ni te mata oro ebi no ma we se mata no we mata we agbuke wa ni we de ba we da mi na agbedo yere we bo ni wa kepa owo omo no ari ki ya fi gbe ye ki o ma di je de raro ọmọ no ese baira o filigbo yin won money esa gini ro wa ni amo e ko ere amo money ko ere ọmọ no filigbo yo wa amo money ko ere wa agba lo to e so ba wa mo na mu ko ere ba mo atoni na wakabo ya no to ebe do wa da e ja dun gele no ni ma so eri wa ese ni wa ino do asunu na ọpẹ́ na okun piana ke o edo e badu abege eti mama hen ono vie borere la dan la mu gbon la 20 ba we mo ti on o we la bi je agbona iye na iwie ra ri we ma se bi je o ye wi juwe ijuwe wusi aya na zuwa ya bo aya gboze be sino son de mi pa no wi juwe ken we you can wa ye ya wa kin no ba red no you know wi ya wa kin e black olowa na aloe ala ga gwa lo wi juwe ken o ma metiti kegbe no wi juwe na gun ayo ne gbe gbe o ya no keke na we mo ye live video we enu yen ba wo ni e jo risiwe eredio ta okore eredio beta okowe fo iya abi sete wike ni wa abi momo la dia bi gba asan abi mo la dia we oya e di ani ude mi no sunu o e nu we no but ona ma jeri oni ana me we ana ikino were na igari ezide o tuma wi ju we ije na o we yi gogo yo bari mana de orin owe iye koye nunu ga gbe ni na gbona iwie kapepue iyi nu we gbo yo to o ni kapepo gbo yo to tebi tewe ni ihi awa la gba na phone ne hian fo bari na afiare ave owie kapepue to wa kan ze de aje gbuware tebi tewe yi no if you were young have a year they be telling you came with down what boy you done otioma enu ya gbe ki mi awogun oba no iro na ma phone ama mi ogun oba we bode ama mi ogun oba we Nigeria de erewe e na ya sun uwe ke lo rade ko ma be na we me have down we ogbon so na TikTok na dey ade I be so anywhere as ogun oba Alagebu no sebe eri ori ya de wa alagebu no sebe ko alagebu no sebe eri ori ya de a una mi wa gbon na e kama isu emi ya wa gbon na olega owe no gbe ugo e ka yin gbe se ko no ya o ge ye buni atita ye me reserve ne e ma so no sikewe no heme ye me reserve yo e me tiro ne atita lo bod ni gbele so kwa ni vie ka we no kale kwa agyawa mama o ma to bo tevi no ri agyawa mama o edo agyawa mama o Kabaka agyawa mama o ma to bo tevi no ri agyawa mama o si ura yegbe diniko do ayegbe ma ura yegbe diniko do ayegbe ma do ayegbe ma o do ayegbe ma o do ayegbe ma o ma mi ebo na mu na wo ka ya mu yu keke ebo ye ma gbe iye wiye me ebo ye ma gbe o ẹbọ yẹ máa gbé ẹjọ ẹbọ yẹ máa gbé wọn máa mi ọbọ náà mú lọ́wọ́ kọ ya mú yù kéke ẹbọ yẹ máa gbé ramẹramẹ ẹbọ yẹ máa gbé o iyemiyemẹ ẹbọ yẹ máa gbé. ọ̀wọ́ ní ovíọ́wọ́ kankan ya gbé ma o zọ ẹ́ búlù kele ovíọ́wọ́ kankan ya gbé ma zọ ẹ́ búlù kele zọ ẹ́ búlù kele o zọ ẹ́ búlù kele o zọ ẹ́ búlù kele o zọ ẹ́ búlù kele. ọ̀pẹ kẹka ọ̀wé tá a bẹ̀rẹ̀ yòó náà gé e ọ̀pẹ kẹka ìwọ́n náà ní sọ̀rọ̀ náà èkéèké nrírí ayé tóní kúgbẹ́ kìwàlì gbé kámẹ́rà dáwọ̀ ẹni. Ege kwe mwenu la janu do wuri gbe do gwan wa gbi e do wa wona won tu won wu ugwan na gwan wa zi gbe ke bi no we lare e bo ko za no lare wa zi gbe no ge bi o we gbe e bulu ke no ro lare na wa zi gbe minukun yo ari ukun e bp yo kere wa ni ori we ya lo oge me bi we do la jani we gbe do agbo we gbe si ovara bavara oya me si wọn lanu ẹ ọpẹ náà wọn gìnì mi ayé ẹgbẹwọ ọ̀nà má me kí tó wọn lóru wọn ẹ wo ru wọn bẹbẹ náà kí náà ọtí wọn bẹ biẹlẹ nẹ the family má bẹ do large wọn náà betray do ru wọn at the end of the day náà today wọn ní kí n àṣẹṣẹ lọ mí gúnmù lèlè yàn ok wọn ní èlò bọ pàfọ à ó wẹ gòví yú ẹ. Bí kapopo oni na ezad oriyo okin isamo ipa nora re ezad otime wa ye na dia ko wa ki no mu ni nyaun no yogwe gwa sele wo to eni ni we mu nyaun e ko e ma fun we ya ze nwa ni gbo my brother we awe mekere no re na anadoku we gwan wo si mekere no ya ki no kwa ogwe no gwo za ya vio ọmọ mana wu avio ọmọ mana wu avio so for that reason my brother we ko ari kun APP we aso yen me gbo we ko ari kun relaxing we aso yen me gbo o ga we ni ya iyoni okin ari awe umana weni ya iyo ki ari abe ya do mi abe ro meso no wazu ogmeso ya mi ro meso no wadu akiza ipo egbe me wa mu mewe iro mo la hina o ma suppose na mi egbe wa we re no ri epo ge family o ma suppose na mi wa be na no ri osare. For that reason, very origin where police are bengune or yari right. So, emike we have the wariria we have Ozani uriye de no kan we de gegbe wo. Eniwa aye mu koke edena amedi dawe mu e mata na be ke do we because e wo bun no gun aka mata na kwa ga na kwa ma na ma gai oyoyo kwa gun kere mi ado ete ya fe na be pegbe e ma be ki an give me ta wa jere wa ni viedo no support me no mama wa ki were gbe wo wa ni viedo no je o ma ke no ma eke no ma gba wa po won aye wowo wa ki were gbe wo wa ni viedo wa mi ewe no ma ni ure ma wa ya atawo ma gbe wa ki were gbe wo ona ri enwa we ju wa ni bon wara o wa bere no sun wo do bani wa bere no sun na we ona ri oga bo azentino de omo bo wo we na da no gbe azentino de no on a area and one wari buwe. At that yebo, or my sook your pa, wari no do soon. Or I do soon, a fana do run visible. Only man of it, Bamugie or Yovi. A faro visible, or Marwa, only a man of Bamugie or Yovi. Or where or Yovi. Oga kira mojo we iwebo obo moto no ibani wana ewe o ma be e Kabaka ope no ki gba mugiyan oriobe onagiwo erima nala wowo onawo ni eriuna onagima no stop omana gena stop emerino everywhere Eriowa itu ina emi Kabaka dona wewe yare okpona iwiebo we mogbe nya we sewunu we mi we jo no agbada nu agbada ni we ami asegan tebi tebe.
This man, only you man, I be all these people are sorry to people. I want to talk to you. Then you listen. You see a place when you did drag. So that illegally when you did drag.
Okay.
They carry you go court. Court say no be your own. They don't carry you go everywhere. Here they carry person they go. They bring you to that place, not be on our own. So what thing you want to tell you today as the wife when I be? You see that gilly. Come out your hand, come out your leg. Or that gilly. That gilly one that say so. I don't
I know.
You understand? As the wife when I be, now they tell you this thing so. See anything when concern gilly. Come out your hand.
Yeah, everything. Kabaka or rotation here.
Then you leave that place for you. Go for land. Go the drag land for your people hand. They say that one be your work. You understand? So this matter, so I don't want to come again. I don't want you to say now. So you come out, come they drag that place. Now only you want be a car. Now only you want be a job. Now only you want be driver. Only you want this man. Only you want. I be all these people. Now you see be a do too. This man, take your time. Now say make I come and make I do this video. Concern this man. When be Igbo, when be Biafra.
Imagine egbe na wowa. Ya Tony Tokubo. Okien o Gwinefo ufa. Kien kie e Tony Kabaka. Tony dans no wa bozese nu wena no we do ya gbe fi we you tori na Tony we go give away we bu egun
over 24 hours. Tony Kabaka has been trending over what he said concerning the recent Ijo and Bini should I say dispute in this contest. You see, on this video, I'll be addressing Comrade Tony Kabaka Adu, and of course, I'll be addressing the Benin people, the Edo people in question. Let me start with addressing Comrade Tony Kabaka. You see, Comrade Tony Kabaka, the reason why you see that people are agitated by your video is not because of what you said primarily. No. Because of you who said it. Because to we the Beninese or to the Benin youth, you are supposed to be what has Asari Dokubo and Tompolo is to the Ijaw people. That is what you are supposed to be to the Benin people. Meaning, the way the Ijaw hold Asari Dokubo on a very high esteem, they believe that he can move mountains for them. They believe that he can mobilize for them. They believe that when the chiefs are down, Tompolo and Asari Dokubo are always there to come out and be at the front line to ensure that the interests of the Ijaw people are protected. That is the same way the Benin youth believe in you. Tony Kabaka did it. Let's go to Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka will help us. Tony Kabaka can speak on our behalf and all of that. But you coming out to make that video yesterday was not just a disappointment. It was actually a demoralization of the Benin people who are speaking out for this very issue. Those who are speaking out to push back the infiltration of the Ijaw people. You know, you claim on that video that these people are agitating for inclusiveness in the Edo state politics. And I can tell you, sir, that is not true. They are not agitating to be inclusive in Edo politics. And he also said federal government should make law that will include them. For God's sake, the Constitution of Nigeria gives every citizen the right to vote and the right to be voted for. So I don't understand the law you were asking the federal government to make. Honestly speaking, I don't understand the law you were asking the federal government to make. However, since the creation of Edo State, from Bende State to Edo State, the political atmosphere of Edo, tell me how much have the Ijaw people contributed? How much have they come outside to indicate interest? How much have they come out to make themselves relevant in terms of politics? You are saying that the Ijaws are agitating for inclusiveness. Today, in Governor Modobewolo's administration, Apostle Casey, who is an Igbo man, is part of the government. Akman Egogo is part of the government. Why? Because they position themselves to be able to get whatsoever they are getting from that government. Government will come, government will go. Election season will come, election season will go. Campaign will come, campaign will go. You will not see anybody from that Ijaw extraction who will come out to endorse and support a candidate with their full chest. You see, power is not giving, sir. Power is taking. So if you say that,
my brother, when I see that one, I don't see talking you. Tony Kabaka, may I tell you, I don't feel talk as this. You are not our federal government. You are not the state governor. How much more you want to implement any law? Ways is where they push you for, where they put you for enemy, APC national enemy. You don't do anything that time. Return up. Obaseki, Oshomole, Igbinedion, nothing. But now you want to come out and say, make all those who job people, make them begin to come as a councillor, as a local government, as a governor. All those who job people as that my brother talk. The only day in charge of target of where all year they for the collect their devet, they take the build that, they do Kabaka, they buy private jet. They are tired to Cuba, so ask me the work, where for work for Nigeria, they will take their money. When now I don't chop king. Because most of the politicians, now they empower them. This kind of money where they get for their all year this thing. Now with the Edo we get now we still get all year. Say our youth still need that. Because we don't need me they involve themselves for criminality, for all those crimes we're not supposed to be. Maybe they're not going to buy themselves, maybe they don't kidnap themselves. Maybe they involve themselves so that all those copy, if they bring some settlement to them, it go to take the settle our youth will be most of way not ready to work, way they ready to go to buy person for us. If they still they engage that all those people for all those things, it go they okay. Only you want me the bozo, my brother. Aswa get a year big. Aswa where? Aswa where my brother. You are not my brother. Aswa where Tony Kabaka. or 20 or reza do wa go go do wa yin pe we party we yes what a working o mo bola dia o tie o kun yen liza ge edo we tie bo ana wo ko no ge wi edo no ri pari no ri gbi mamu pa ge gan o fe ala egbe ge we na baya se de bo den ni ye my brother ero sofa a wa gwale wu ni aye nu ni na wa mo yowe no wa we o wa ki we wa be areza di mo we je Nigeria this a pay go tell you when dog gba one flat no ike dog gba one flat with Germany or other Euro wa de we am ya bi ko di bonu we to se a be bu were wa ko wa gbe we fo that duro mo wa re we Germany wa ni make camera wa da we ni age we no ara duro ni we be do aye school ni ana mo undefeated ni ana mo po yi eke ni o kan wa ma se we wa re duro we Germany wa my brother we wa re duro Kabaka cause abi mi o eni we wa lucky go eni na wa ri we wa re duro wa ni egbe kan wa fu were uwe mana ri duro e na bavita we wa te se Tony Kabaka de YouTube esowo no mu ego piako we wa te sa te mi wa feel pure water gbo with the word unu we do mu magboto no those zona we wa se and a modo pe wo the excellency and Dennis Idahosa wa invite Kabaka na awe party no belong to ni wa no ta wo gu temeni o ke we na ari chance ni ani awe election ni awe governor ni awe local government ni awe councillor that we support ni ana support if any return of election if you go for do ani the race pa any election they support a peace they support any party they like they pa ni ade ba after for novela dia we media wala don feel pe like Jesus gbale na osi abati we lodo ele oni waye you da ba sekewa or work research because the day after morning as a you know as a you know adori go gian no food for lazy man you cannot receive that kind of money we know you people that lazy una depend of all your money you see so for that reason if you to enroll one in this dive 7 aye ke ahwe ni wa be move ni wa be ya gbegbe elu no keke eme no keke Kabaka ewu no keke wa jo e ma no keke wa pe lele no we yen gbo fu wa bai o abiere yore no we yen gbo fu wa bai owudo ri ogbe kadi ogbe no we yen gbo fu wa bai o ki no modion o do ki mo kike go wa o ga bi mo kike o ki no ma yin o do wa ya o ijo because ewo ma nderu na mero yi ewi ma edo ma do gba lewo ewe bo ewi gba ni go ro e ma so wa enjoy go ni yan bi taladia igo re wi ma ni abi ti ma wa ma be ajo ma be do enjoy abi go a yan wa to tanya go yan yi bi avian yan mu dia ku wi yan tu yan wi yan mi go era si go ni ya abi ton polo we yan na wa mu go ni ya bi de ro wa ni risi o wa to wa gbon o wa pe wa gbon abe ne ge guy eni me remain usaze Efosa owelu ego TV one love my people ma also orion ba egbe la mogun matue bag ma yunu maro bag ma we po won ye evident kekere o do mi evidani wa re picture na wa mu wa ya so yen egbo wa ya ewe elo no ka mu digba but operational alu ene emaneme level o ke no operational we lu ene Kabaka wa to wa pe